Hi, I'm Jennifer Porter. I'm an attorney with my law firm Jennifer Porter Law in Fairfax, Virginia. As part of our practice, we include estate planning, which is intended for the purposes of helping people make plans for the end of life. You know, death is a certainty. It's coming for everyone. It is obviously something that many people prefer not to think about, but at the same time, we always want to also leave the best set of circumstances possible for our children, our grandchildren, and the people that we care about. The way that we accomplish that is with an estate plan. There are a number of documents that can be included in an estate plan. The first thing that most people are familiar with is a will, but an effective and comprehensive estate plan will also include several other documents in addition to a will. And those include things like a financial power of attorney, a healthcare power of attorney, an advanced directive, which we might also hear referred to as a living will, that we might rely upon in order to make decisions when doctors may be recommending artificial means to keep us alive at some point towards the end of our life. In addition, we may also include a standalone HIPAA authorization, a medical authorization, and that is the document that we would want to see in any estate plan because it allows the people in your life to be able to have access to information about your medical condition and be able to have informed conversations with your doctors about your prognosis and recommendations they may be making for you. Finally, we might consider having a living trust be part of your estate plan. And that really depends upon the financial circumstances of your specific estate. So when you're meeting with an estate planning attorney, I think one of the first things that is so important is to think about the fact that you're not meeting with an attorney whose purpose is to be your scribe. The role is not to sit there and print out some pre-formed documents and say, here you go. Rather, an effective estate planning attorney is somebody who is meeting with you to make a plan. The documents simply come along after the case of that planning meeting to document what your plan will include. So I hope that as you're watching this video, you're considering that you may need to meet with an estate planning attorney and recognize that that estate plan is much more than just, I need a will. I hope this was helpful.